For the past several days, I've been printing, and printing, and printing. So, what have I been printing? Part of a crowdsourced 3D printed art installation. Stick around, I'll tell you more. I'm Brian, and you're watching BV3D. A couple of weeks ago, Adam Savage from Tested.com released a video about a crowdsourced 3D printed art project that's going to be assembled at the first ever NOMCON, the Nation of Makers convention in Santa Fe, New Mexico in early June. Artist and maker Jen Schachter created a clay sculpture of Rosie the Riveter. Working with We The Makers, her 7-inch sculpture was 3D scanned, enlarged, and divided into more than 2,600 pieces for 3D printing. When you go to the site and download a part, sometimes you'll get something cool with some texture like this. Other times, you'll just get a cube. But either way, it's still a cool project to participate in. I've been printing non-stop for days. I've printed 27 of the parts so far. Some of them are large and they take several hours, and others are small and don't take long at all. I've got the 28th part on the printer right now. And once this part is finished, I'll turn it in and get another one to print. There are still more than 100 pieces that need to be printed. So if you've got a 3D printer and some filament and a skin tone, go to wethebuilders.com, download a part, print it out, and mail it in. It would really help them out. And that's what I've been up to, printing for days. I'm looking forward to seeing video of the completed project. It's going to be 6 feet tall, and I think it's cool that anyone with access to a 3D printer can be a part of it. So that's it for the episode. It's a short one. I just wanted to get the word out about the project and see if I could get some people involved. Links to Adam Savage's video and the project page are in the description down below, along with channel support links if you're so inclined. Have a great day and go print something cool.